Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Jerry. Again, my name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of your company with a website and how it would rank on Google and what's behind the scenes with all that. Now, there's three major factors that come into ranking a website and getting the exposure that you want, and that relates to content, backlinks, and citations. So first, let's just cover some basics. Of course, anything that you type into the Google search bar right here, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or the words that are being typed in here, and then categorizes those websites based on their content. That's how you establish rank. Now, you typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So in this example, because I know you do concrete, I typed in concrete Fayetteville. And, excuse me. And then right here, of course, we have the map pack, map area, map pack. Rank structure in here is through your Google Business profile with your area of coverage. This generates a lot of local traffic that creates a lot of leads, and of course, leads become sales. And also attached to this Google Business profile, you want citations. Citations are anything that has name, address, and phone number. Citation directories include Yellow Pages, BBB, Angie, Yelp. And once Google sees that your business is being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely that you are to bring value to your business, and Google will recognize that and move you up the rank structure. Now, everything underneath the map is considered organic ranking. And so, for example, right here, the first two up on the first page, we have concrete delivery service. So I wanted to show you a little bit what's going on here. This is their website, Concrete Delivery Service or Concrete Service Company. And I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs shows me what's going on behind the scenes. So I did mention backlinks. It's an important factor when it comes to ranking. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another, and Google uses that to build trust in you. It creates, excuse me, it creates popularity. Not all backlinks are created equal. You need to keep that in mind. For example, you wouldn't want the carpenter down the road referring back to you, or a pizza place referring back to you. It doesn't carry as much weight and as much strength as another concrete company referring back to you does. Now, also, he has 45 referring domains, other websites connected to him. He has 87 keywords within his content of his website, and that is bringing him 498, almost 500 views a month. Let's take a little peek in here just to give you a quick idea of how this works. So the keyword or phrase and the amount of times or the volume per month that this particular word is searched. So concrete services is searched almost 3,000 times a month. Concrete service company, 150. Concrete service, 400. Concrete services Fayetteville, 200. Concrete services incorporated, 250. So collectively, altogether, all these keywords creates a lot of exposure to you, to your website, and a lot of potential leads and customers when your content and your keywords are done correctly. Another example I wanted to show you was number 2. This is where it gets interesting. So we have a concrete contractor, Fayetteville. Take a look at their website, and also I put them into the same tool. Now you would notice they have 648 backlinks and 342 referring domains, while the competitor has 497 and 45. You would think that they would be up top because they have more backlinks and referring domains, when in all actuality, what drives them above is the fact that they're bringing in 498 views based off of their keywords to their 137 views off of their 142 keywords. So this is really interesting here. This directly relates to the content and the keywords and what's being typed into the Google search bar. When people are searching, they have a tight rein on that, and that's what puts them above. But I mean, it's still all the same. It's just a great example. I mean, they're both right here on the first page of Google. And, he has 648 backlinks. You want the same, the ones he has, or more. 142 keywords, you want the same he has, or more. And it'll put you right there next to him in the same ranking factor, in the same area, on the same page. With that being said, I'm hoping that you have a better understanding of how this works when you bring content and backlinks and citations together with a Google Business Profile. Google recognizes you, sees that you're being endorsed, creates more value, that you're an authority in what you're doing. And this is how people rank on the first page of Google. A lot of businesses will build a website and they'll fall short when it comes to content and SEO. You'll say to yourself, well, I just got a website built and I'm not generating any traffic. I don't understand why business isn't going up. It's very important to have a well-built website that brings value to your company. So with that being said, I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch this today. I hope you have a better understanding and have a good night.